No, we are not going for a drive today. We are actually opening a lens I've just bought, if I may. Here it is. Now you might be wondering, why are you in the car? What the hell is this whole setup? You know, why are you in the car? Why are you unboxing inside the car? I got kicked out of my house. So this is what we got. This is how we're gonna do it. This is the lens. It's the very popular and also very new. I forgot the name actually. Is it Asus? Sigma. It's a Sigma. This is the very popular Sigma 1.2. No, 1.4, sorry. Would have been nice though. Sorry about that. Please stay with me. Here is my opening device. Since that we are in the car, I can do with what I've got. And this is what I've got at the moment. It's actually very sharp. I didn't think I should keep this in my car, but you never know when you might need it, just like now. So I'm gonna open this box. Here it is. This is not a lens. I don't know what this is, but this is not a lens. This is a microphone. What? This is a microphone, guys. I don't know if they made a mistake or something, but I cannot film with this. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in. Here is a lens. There is a microphone here with cables and everything. Anyway, I'll put it back again. Contact the seller. Hello. This looks very nice actually. I might keep it. But anyway, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I was going to unbox a Sigma 1.4 56mm, and then this happened. I appreciate your concern, and I will hopefully see you in the next episode when we actually do have a Sigma 1.4 lens with us, so we can test it. Actually, I was a bit surprised because the box is small, and I thought to myself there's a lot of rattling going on. I thought this lens might be broken inside, but turns out there is a microphone in there. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. I really was looking forward to this, and I brought you to this beautiful lake so I could enjoy some pictures. I could have taken some pictures over there, over here by the lake, over there. There's a lot of nice places and a lot of potential for a bit of shutter work there. Maybe delay the shutter speed, a bit of zoom, a bit of blurry backgrounds. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. How long is this episode? It's about 4 minutes. All right, see you. Yeah, this is life, you know. Sometimes you get what you want, sometimes you don't. Just have to take it as it is. Take it and be content. Not content, content. There's a difference. All right, I'll leave you the next episode. If you like my channel and if you like my subjects, here is my face. You can click on my face and you can subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to click on my face and don't like to subscribe, you can watch another video right over here. There is another channel, there's another list of videos you can choose from. Hopefully I'll see you in the next episode, yo. Peace.